IELTS questions about the weather. This is the last of 3 videos. Don't forget to watch the other 2. How would you answer these questions? Tell me in the comments. You can get my answers to questions for all 3 speaking sections in my free mini IELTS speaking ebook. The link is in the description below. Let's get to the questions. Does the weather affect people's lives in your country? I guess, but it doesn't really affect mine in a noticeable way. I think it depends on where you live. In some parts of the country, there are a lot of tornadoes, so people have to have places in their house where they can go when there is a tornado warning. Other places have to deal with hurricanes, and they also need a plan for what to do if there is a warning. Some states have to deal with a lot of snowstorms in the winter, but I've never lived in any of those places, so I don't really have to worry about the weather. I just dress accordingly. Is there any type of weather you don't like? No, not really. I'm fine with any kind of weather. Since I grew up in a place with all 4 seasons, I'm used to it all. I'd prefer that it does not rain all day, every day. But other than that, I'm fine with whatever. Does bad weather affect transport in your country? Of course. If it snows or even if it's raining a lot, it's less safe to drive and people will drive less depending on how bad it is. If it's snowing too much, planes won't fly and it can even shut down an airport for a couple of hours or a whole day. Obviously, if there are tornado or hurricane warnings, no one is going anywhere except for away from the bad weather. Public transportation will be shut down. I'm sure it's the same everywhere. Weather, idioms, and phrases you might want to know. Humid. It means it's hot and there's a lot of moisture in the air. It might be sticky, gross. Muggy is also when it's super hot and humid. Smog is when you can see the nasty pollution in the air. Hail is when you have those big balls of ice coming down, not quite snow, not quite rain. Mild, hot, or cold climate are words you might want to use. Forecast is when you predict what the weather is going to be. Maybe not you, usually the weatherman or woman on TV. That's it for this one. Let me know if there are any other questions you want me to answer. See you next time.